Minister Norbert Mao nagirangu obwahati eminyeto eshemerire kureka kurwanira ibina ebyobutegeki bakabasa kwikana nahakwitana ecyari kugirango nekintu ekitari koreka okombeka okwihanga.
I want to call upon the young people who are the majority. You are the ones who are going to live in that future of Uganda. If you are from NUP and you see somebody wearing a yellow t-shirt and you throw sulfuric acid on that person, as happened in Chira municipality, what kind of Uganda are you building? And if you are from the National Resistance Movement and you see somebody wearing a red beret and you immediately want to descend on them and beat them up, what sort of Uganda are you building? Now, the leaders in Uganda take the microphone and unleash venom. But behind the scenes and outside the cameras, they are talking to those they publicly insult.
Mao nayongera shoborora ngubonka bari kuri ekitongore kiramuzi bikirizingana na no kuhindura ombwebembezi ombusinje obutarimu okushesha shagama.
FDC, DP, UPC, NUP and so on, all must have an interest on the rules of the tournament. So, peaceful change is something we must insist on and put the responsibility at the correct address on the shoulders of President Yoweri Museveni, who at this point is so powerful that he can even safely ignore his opponents.
Oriyo muhwezi wori kurempanura zishenjero rihanga Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa ajumirira abo bona abari kugira ngo ishenjero eriyo murundo gutine kibakozire ngo abanyishenjero bariyo kweba byami ngo kibari kugira ngo ishenjero tine kirirakozire ari kugira ngo bo bariho okubasa kukorera omuntu wa hansi.
I've met many leaders at that parliament, very weak parliament. These MPs useless. These MPs, they don't know what they are doing. But when you go to stand with them before the voters, they defeat you. Why do voters choose stupid people and leave you who understands?
Ayongire yajumirira abanyishenjero abari kuranira obwebembezi ahabyaro ebibari kurugamo ecyari kugira ngo ogwe no muze mubi ngubine kushitama bakatisa nk'abantu bakuru okusinga okuranira obwebembezi.
It's very, very unfortunate. No leader would really want to see that. And I've advised them that you don't need to come and knock and kick each other.
Ogwa yongire yashaba ekitongore kiramuzi okoleka kusigara mukorera emirimo yacyo omuriza hoteli ngo bitu bazo mu byaro batandike gukorera abantu kandi n'abantu beyongere kwetegereza enkora yabo.
That we go down, we make people understand the values they should be getting from a leader. So the problem of the elite is having these conferences in Shiraku when the locals are having their conferences in Bath.
Gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano ahabwa Sky Television.